In 5 minutes, we'll share 6 easy and delicious food ideas along with our cooking tips. Check the proportions and instructions in the comments below. We are starting with a classic, fried eggs. Enhance the flavor by sprinkling sesame seeds and cheddar into the pan before cracking the eggs. The key tip is to choose recipes with common ingredients to save space and reduce food waste. Now let's dive into pancakes. Begin by greasing your pan with oil and heating it over a medium flame. Adding oil both in the mix into the pan makes flipping these pancakes a breeze. Pour about 3/4 of a ladle of a pancake mix into the pan. Wait for about half to 1 minute, then add more batter to the same pancake. This technique ensures you'll get those thick, lush pancakes that everyone loves. For a hearty camping meal, try out fried eggs with tortilla and cheese. Simply mix your eggs with spices, pour them into the pan. Once they are almost ready, place a tortilla on top. Flip, add cheese, fold, remove from heat, and cut into delicious portions. Don't forget to add hot dogs to your camping menu. Toast them with fresh tomatoes, pickles, a drizzle of mustard, and a squeeze of ketchup for the classic taste. Ready for a fiesta? Let's make tacos. Preheat crispy shells, fill them with seasoned beef, creamy avocado, juicy tomatoes, a sprinkle of cilantro, your favorite taco spices, a dollop of sour cream, a generous amount of cheese, and a dash of hot sauce for the extra kick. Let's talk about enhancing your camping experience with the Camping Modular System for Toyota 4Runner 5 Gen. Whether you are looking for storage solutions, a cozy sleeping setup, or a complete outdoor kitchen, this system has you covered. Customize your setup with different drawer ratios, add-ons, and accessories to create your ideal camping setup. And of course, what's camping without burgers? Grill up juicy beef, add slices of fresh tomatoes, grind your pickles, crisp salad greens, melted cheese, and finish with a drizzle of mustard and ketchup for the ultimate camping burger experience. Thanks for joining us. Press the like button and subscribe for more camping tips. Happy camping!